Hi, today I'm for the DOOGEE X95 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application. And now tap on the right upper corner. So to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account. And just to do that, we should click Manage Accounts on this device. Tap to your Google account and click Remove Account. Then confirm your action. Wait a second. Are you sure? So yes, okay. If you use some protect methods, just enter them. Now we just successfully logged out from Google account on our device. So let's go back to the Gmail application. And we can see that we also successfully logged out from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.